Hello everyone. Today we've got a HP Pavilion that on first look looked like it had liquid damage. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna try to bring it up there. When I saw that, I didn't think about doing a video. I thought it might be a dead cause, but as it happens, the board is pretty much untouched. The symptoms that this laptop had was it's charging, it's turning on, but no display. The screen is not coming on. I checked the voltages on the screen, on the port, and everything seemed okay. Let's have a quick look around the processor, because I can see a bit of what looks like let's switch to the microscope. What looks like liquid damage, maybe. Let's have a quick look. Okay, I don't think it's water damage, liquid damage. I think it's just the thermal paste around there. A bit of, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that looks clean around it. All right, so I checked the screen voltages. Everything is okay. Screen connectors okay. So what I'm gonna check next is the pins on the memory connector. I changed the memory stick, but it seems to be doing the same thing. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start checking the pins, because it's a fairly common problem on this. Oh look, straight away, that's one loose. And we're gonna check all of them. Hopefully this is gonna be just that. It's gonna be an easy fix if it's just the memory socket that's got loose pins. Come on, just that one. That's gonna be easy. Obviously we're gonna check both sides. But yeah, everything looks good so far. Just that one, just the one pin. All right, so far so good. Usually it's the side pins that are more likely to be loose. Oh, good so far. Oh, that's loose. Okay, so 2 loose pins. Let's turn it out and check the other side. I might speed up the video to save you watching me pushing every pin. Imagine if I was saying solid, solid, solid after every one. Okay, and we've got 2 loose pins here. Right, let's get to soldering, because we wasted enough time on pushing pins, and about time to get to fixing it. Alexa, turn the extractor on.
Okay.
Straight away made loads of bridges. Don't like that flux. Let's get rid of these bridges. Alright. Let's test them. Alright. All good. Make sure I didn't make any bridges further down. Let's do the other end while we're here. They're not loose, but just because on the other side, and there seems to be a problem with the end pins. I'm gonna do this just for the peace of mind, you know, giving warranty to the job. And I want to make sure it's not coming back. Okay, I'm gonna clean it all after. Let's do the inside ones. Right. I'll clean this side and we're gonna put it all together and try it on. Let's get off the microscope camera. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean all this liquid that's been spilled around here. And then put it all back together. I'm more than likely gonna fast forward through this. Okay, let's plug the power supply in and let's test it. We'll put it all together. Okay, 17 milliamp, the power is coming on. And we've got image. Let's put some screws on the battery. And it's booting, and we've got picture, so it's all good. Holding the battery by hand. And there we go, that was an easy fix. Yeah, I'm gonna put it all back together. Okay, looks like he's got a problem with a hard disk, but yeah, we've got image now. Let's see if it starts again. Let's see if we get it booting. Okay, hard disk seems to be a problem, but we've got pictures, so I'm gonna reinstall Windows on it, and that should be fixed. We're reinstalling the Windows, but the computer's working fine, all good. Just wanted to end the video with a laptop put all together and working fine. All right, then that flickering on the screen is from the camera. Is nothing wrong with the screen. Yeah, it doesn't do any flickering on my. Yeah, I think it's a combination of the LED lights and the screen. All right, anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.